Hi everyone. I want to check. I have Chinese Alipay. And can I pay? Use Chinese Alipay and pay in the Philippines in Apple Store. This is inbox in the Philippines. That's why I want to try to pay.
Here, the service
So Chinese people cannot pay in the Philippines use Alipay. So this is Alipay. It's only for Philippine Alipay. Not Chinese Alipay. I try again.
May Lourdes ka, sir. Kaso walang March. Walang orders.
That's why I want to try. Okay, I will take cash and I will buy. Wait, maybe I will pay Gcash. Gcash. I bought this AirPods Pro for about 15,000 peso, but I paid Gcash. I paid Gcash because Chinese account in Alipay cannot not working. Only Philippine Alipay, but Chinese cannot. But Chinese bank card working in the Philippines. Not working in the Philippines, WeChat Alipay from China. It's only local, maybe Alipay and WeChat. I bought in Ace Hardware, I use Philippine card only. So if from someone from China, Chinese tourists cannot pay in the Philippines, it use Chinese Alipay and Chinese WeChat. It's only in China.